Even
give me Africa. Give me Africa just 1 year. Give me Africa just for 1 year. 1 year. The day we hear that something has happened to Ibrahim Traore, I will personally, you cannot say that the Berlin Conference was wrong, and yet our countries are legitimate. If Berlin Conference was illegitimate, all the present presidents, all the present borders, present countries are illegitimate because they were drawn up by an illegitimate Berlin Conference. So Ruto is illegitimate. Mnangagwa is illegitimate. Cyril Ramaphosa is illegitimate because their presidency is founded on the Berlin Conference, which was illegitimate in terms of marking boundaries. If you can't hear that, forget about it. Take the church with everything that it represents and go to hell and hang. Bunch of hypocrites. I don't believe in that. And by the way, when I'm sending the church to hell, I didn't say God is evil. The people that are running the system are evil. And if they know God, and that God that they know has not changed them, then they are the same. They're the same with the God that they believe in. Maybe I don't believe in both.